Small-scale dewatering and water supply operations often face one major challenge: mobility and easy deployment. Introducing the Acqua Flow Compact by AIPL, a lightweight, modular floating pump pontoon designed for low-capacity pumping operations. Built with a durable MS composite structure, the system is compact, easy to transport, and quick to install, even in remote locations. Each module supports a single pump, while the modular design allows seamless expansion as operational requirements grow. With integrated accessories, roof structure, and mooring systems, Acqua Flow Compact delivers a complete floating pumping solution. Ideal for agricultural water supply, localized flood control, and minor industrial dewatering applications. Smart, compact, expandable. Acqua Flow Compact, engineered for efficient water operations. To know more, inquiry now on aquainfra.com.